Hello, welcome to MathMath. Show that integral 1 over x dx is equal to natural log of x. Now, in my previous video, I solved this one and I told you that in my next video, I'll prove to you why is that when you integrate 1 over x, you get natural log of x. Okay, so here I'm going to prove to you why is it that when you integrate this, you get this. Okay, so let's write our solution first. Now, let's repeat the question. Here I'm going to rewrite this one using the negative index law of indices, that is 1 over a can be written as a raised to the power minus 1. Okay, so let's write. So when we rewrite this one, you're going to get s raised to the power minus 1. Okay, so let's write. Now here I'm going to rewrite this one using natural log. Okay, so rewrite s raised to the power minus 1. Now when we rewrite this one, we are going to get integral e to the power natural log of x to the power minus 1. Okay, so let's write. Now from the laws of logarithm, this minus 1 here can be written here. Okay, so let's write. Here we are going to do substitution. Okay, so substitution. We let u equal to minus natural log of x. Okay, so let's write. Then we multiply through by negative 1. Okay, when you do that, you're going to get minus u is equal to natural log of x. Okay, so let's write. Now, from the definition of logarithm, x is equal to e to the power minus u. Okay, so let's write. So here we are going to differentiate. So differentiate. So when you differentiate this, you are going to get dx equal to minus e to the power minus u du. Okay, so let's write. Now let's put everything back into the integral. Okay, so let's write. Now here we are going to write this minus sign here outside here. Okay, we are just going to write this one here and then we multiply what is inside. Okay, so let's write. Now from the laws of indices, when the bases are the same, we just add the powers. We are going to add u and the minus u together. Okay, so let's write. Now u minus u will give us what? 0. Okay, so let's write. Now e to the power 0 is what? 1, because any number or any variable to the power 0 is what? 1, because it is dividing itself. Okay, so let's write. Now when you integrate 1, we are going to get u. We are going to get u. So let's integrate this. Now when you integrate this one, you're going to get u and then we multiply it by the minus sign here, and that is going to give us minus u. Okay, so let's go back to the x world. We know that u is equal to minus natural log of x, so wherever we see u, we are going to put it back. Okay, so let's write. So let's put it back. Now minus into bracket minus natural log of x. Now when I multiply this one by this one, I'm going to get natural log of x, and then I'll just add the plus c because I'm done with the integration. Okay, so let's write. Therefore, integral 1 over x dx is equal to natural log of x plus c. Okay, so let's write. Good. Now the workings from above tell us the reason why when we integrate this one we get natural log of x plus c. Okay, so now let's prove the differentiation aspect of this question. Okay, so proof of differentiation. Now let's write the question. Here we're going to do substitution. Okay, so substitution. we let m equal to minus u. Okay, now here to differentiate this one, we multiply this power by this 1 and then we decrease the power by 1. Okay, so let's write the 1 here is representing the coefficient of what? The base. Okay, the coefficient of the base, and the 1 is just multiplying the base, which is the same as the base. Okay, but I just indicate it to make understanding very simple. Okay, so now when you compute this one, you are going to get 1, and then when you multiply it by this one, you are going to get dm. Okay, so when you compute this one, you're going to get minus du. Okay, so let's write. Now let's go back to the original question. X is equal to e to the power m because of the substitution. Okay, so let's write. Now let's differentiate this. When you differentiate this, you're going to get dx equal to e to the power m dm. Okay, now let's put everything back here. Okay, so m is equal to minus u and dm is equal to minus du. Okay, so let's put them back. Now when you multiply this one by this one, you're going to get minus e to the power minus u du. Okay, so let's write. Now this is the reason why the differentiation aspects are hard what? This one. Okay, all right, that's it. Please, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.